Hello children, in this video we are going to learn mathematics. In mathematics, the multiplication only we are going to study. Already in chapter 4, I explained the multiplication, the topic understanding multiplication. In understanding multiplication, how to do by using the tables I explained you clearly. In this video, chapter 9, more multiplication we are going to study. See here, chapter 9, more multiplication. About the multiplication in chapter 4 already we have learned. And in Zoom class also I explained about this planting and how many plants and how to do this everything in Zoom class we did. And in the Zoom class I explained how to fill this one, and I gave homework this, do it this, and the next page also told you to do. But in this video we are going to learn exercise 9.1. Section A, write the product. Write the product. What you are getting, the answer is the product. Okay. By using the tables only we are going to do. Already in Max note in chapter 4 we wrote all the tables in the note. If you are not having tables book, or if you didn't memorize, actually you have to memorize the tables. Then only it will be easy for you to write the test and the exam. Okay, if you didn't memorize, at least now to do this one use the note, but soon you memorize the tables. Now see, write the product. 7 5s are, that means 5 tables. Okay, 7 5s are, you have to tell and see. Okay, 7 tables or 5 tables, you can see it. See, in chapter 4 we wrote no in the note. What number comes? 7 5s are 35. What is the answer? 35. Take and write down 35. Now next, 8 6 are 8 6 are, you can write 6 8s are or 8 6 are. 6 8s are or 8 6s are. See here, 6 8s are 8 6s are. What is the answer? 48. 4 4s are 4 4s are, actually you have to tell. 4 0s are 0, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. What is the product of 4 4s are? 16. Understand children? This one I'll do, and 1 2 3 4 5 6, this 6 sums you have to try it. Now 4 5s are 4 5s are, you can see here, 4 4s are 16, we don't know. 4 5s are 20. The product of 4 5s are is 20. 6 6 are, that means you have to tell the 6 tables. 6 0s are 0, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36. That means what is the product of 6 6 are? 36. 9 5s are, you can use this here 5 tables also. 9 5s are 45. Like that, first memorize the tables. Try to memorize it. Okay, and do this one yourself using the tables. Next also same, write the product. Color the box in which the answer is less than 20. Less than 20, all we have to color it. That means first we are going to write the product, all the product what we get. 5 6 are, 5 6 are, what 5 6 are? Here see 5 tables. 5 6 are 30. Write it. 10 fours are, can you see? 10 fours are 4 tens are 40. 2 fives are 5 twos are or 2 fives are 10. 4 fives are 4 fives are or 5 fours are same. 4 fives are 20. 5 fours are 20. Write it here. 20. 4 threes are 12. 9 threes are, that means 3 nines are or 9 threes are 27. Next, 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are 15. 7 fours are 28. 4 6 are, that means 4 table. 4 6 are 24. 2 fours are, here where it is 2 fours are or 4 twos are, 4 twos are 8. 9 fours are or 4 nines are, 9 fours are 36. 5 fives are 5 fives are 25. Good. 25. Okay. Now we found the products. We wrote all the products. Now what they are asking us to do, color the boxes in which the answer is less than 20. 20 less. 20 ku kammiya irukku. Less than 20. Okay. Here is a 30. Is the less than 20? No. 40 is the less than 20? No. 10 is. Take color, any color, and color it. Less than 20. Okay. Next one, see. 20 is not less or no more. Equally it is there, so no need. Less than only we have to color it. 12 is less than 20. 27 is less than 20. 12 is less than 20. Color the 12. Okay, color it neatly. Now next, 15 is less than 20. Yes. 20 is less than 20. No. 24 is less than 20. No. It's 28 is more and 4 is more. So only 15 is the less than 20. You can use any color, not same color, different color also you can use it. 8 is less than 20 or 36 or 25. Which is the less than 20? Yes, 8 is the less than 20. Understand, children? Like this you have to color it. We'll see the next one. Join the leaves that have the same answer. Same answer where it comes, you have to join it. Okay. We'll see now. That means first we have to write the answer. Then only we'll know which are the answers are coming same. Now we'll do and see. First they are joined. We'll see now. 3 fours are. 3 fours are what answer? Shall we see the tables or we'll tell? Yes, first we'll tell. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. What answer is here? 12. Here 2 6 are also 12. So matching. Next, first we'll do all this and write the answer. After that, we'll match it. 8 5s are, in 5 tables we'll see 8 5s are, what is the answer? 8 5s are, or 5 8s are 40. 40, write down here. 5 6 are, 5 6 are, 5 6 are 5 tables 30. 3 2s are, 2 tables you know, no, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 3, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, sorry. 4 6 are, tell 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24. Okay, next, this 8 tables or 3 tables you can say. Okay, 3 1s are 3, come on, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. 2 tables are 6 tables. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, already we wrote. 3 tables, 3 10s are, easy no, 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30. 6 1s are 6, or 1 6 are 6, same here. 10 4s are 40. Now we are going to match it. Okay, 12 12, 40, here is 40, 8 5s are 40, here any 40 are there? Is at the last 40 is a 10 4s are 40. So this dot to the last dot, join it. 5 6 are 30, 30 down, see any? Is 3 10s are 30, join it, see straight it comes. 2 3 2s are 6, any 6 is here? Is 1, it also comes in straight. Here 24, 4 6 are 24, here any 24? Is from the last to last. Like this you have to match it. Now next we are going to see the 120, page number 120. Here see the section D, solve. There are 5 rows of chairs. There are 5 rows of chairs. In each row there are 6 chairs. How many chairs are there in all? Okay, to find the total number of chairs, multiply 5 by 6. Here they are already given the number 5 by 6. 5 into 6. 5 6 are, 5 6 are, tell and see. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. There are 30 chairs in all. Okay. The next, there are 10 crayons in box. How many crayons in box? 10 crayons. The teacher bought 4 boxes. How many boxes? 4 crayons boxes. Each carries 10 crayons. How many crayons are there in all? To find out total number of crayons, multiply by the 2 numbers given, no, the 2 numbers taken, right? 10 crayons in box and 4 boxes. Okay, 10 4s are, 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40. That means there are 40 crayons in all. Okay, next. Auntie Shoma baked 8 cakes for Roma's birthday. She cut each cake into 6 pieces. How many pieces of cakes are there in all? There in all. Okay, 2 numbers now. Take and write the 2 numbers. 8 6. Okay, 8 6 or 6 8. So that means you can say the 6 table. Okay, Ready? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48. How many pieces cakes? 48 pieces. Now next. There are 5 oranges in a box. How many oranges are there in 4 baskets? How many oranges are there in 4 baskets? The two numbers. 5 oranges in basket, 4 baskets. Now you have to say the 4 table or 5 table. 5 table will use. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. That means there are 20 oranges in all. How many kg of rice are there in Sunil's shop? How many kgs of rice are there in Sunil's shop? How many kg of rices are there in Sunil's shop? Now here they given the bags. We'll have to find out the bags how many kg each. Okay. Now watch closely. This bag carries 5 kg. How many kgs? One bag carries 5 kgs. Now there are how many bags? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bags. Each bag carries 5 and there are 5 bags. Total how many? Sunil shops. How many kg of rice are there in Sunil shops? Now we have to find out. That means 5 tables. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. There are 25 kg of rice in Sunil's shop. Okay children, do this all in your book and simple sums and all. Do it again and again. Repeat the tables, learn the tables without wasting time. Only not for the second standard. Throughout your life, the tables will be useful for you. Okay children, thank you. Don't forget, learn the tables, do the sums, try the sums to do also. Thank you, bye.